In front of me is OUKITEL WP23 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Finally, just tap on one of your pictures that you wish to add. If you want to, you can also click on Gallery. Select a photo from here, but this time click on Add at the top right corner. You can even click on Gallery, select Folders, and look for your photo in Recent Files, in one of those apps, or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those categories, like Downloads. After finding your photo this time, instead of tapping on it, you get to hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!